Okay, just now because of the technical error, right? Then we have to split the thing. So 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here. So for the last point, maybe Vincent, you guys rock, paper, scissors, see who gets the point. Judge, wow, judge, 1 ball. Huh? Later, okay lah, later. Give me 1 point here. Okay. Everyone got your laptop, right? Okay, so before we start with the N8N, we go back to what we discussed before about the car and the engine. Okay, so your AI model is like your LLM. You have to pick one like ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever. Then you will power your AI tool. So currently we are going to build your car. Okay, your car. So how we do this is we are going to use N8N. Okay, so N8N, you can think of it like it's a software platform. Like you're going to do basic programming on it. But the good thing about this programming software is that you do not have to code. Anyone here don't know how to code? Right? What do you mean you don't know how to code?
Is it good at that?
What do you mean you don't know how to code? Full stack. That one full stack, one. Okay, don't know how to code one.
It's very interesting to see when you ask who doesn't know how to code. The first person that raised up the hand are technical people.
It's okay. No worries. Technical people also. Technical people also this thing is no code. Okay? You don't have to code.
Are we learning how to code?
No. I won't teach you how to code.
You are teaching us how to use it.
I'll teach you how to use this. Later, I'll teach you one special thing. You can copy and paste what you made, and then it will auto-generate into code. Basically, you copy and paste this thing into Microsoft Visual Studio, you change everything into code. Then we can show people, see I can code. Okay? So, in N8N, you have the 4 key things, which is your workflow, your notes, your triggers, and your credentials. So, how this works is that your credentials will come first, where you have to link certain applications to your workflow. Okay, we'll start with the workflow. So the workflow is actually like your blank piece of paper. So you have your notes. Notes are basically your, let's say you want to draw a car out like that. Okay. So the car, right, you cannot have any, like, it's just blank. This is your notes. And then this is your workflow. So you need to have a trigger, which means, let's start with credentials first. You can think of credentials like this card is just blank. So you have to put in like color to it. So this is credentials. And then your triggers is basically when you're going to start like drawing the whole entire thing. So this is your trigger. So getting the paper, the paper to draw it. Okay. So what these things do specifically is that workflow is your canvas for automation. Your building blocks, nodes, your triggers is like the starting point, and then your credentials connecting to other apps. You can visualize like this time, like you're drawing a piece of, you're drawing art, and then you need color, you need all these kind of things. Okay, so let's start with making a chatbot. I need everyone to go to N8N.com. Let me find the link for you all. You need to open a free trial account.
It's not .io.
Oops. Create an account. Okay, you will get started. You can see my screen, right? everyone please create your account. Okay.
Our own
Yeah.
email lah, right?
Yeah.
What's the email lah?
Anything. You want to use company house also can?
Can ah?
Can.
Personal
Yeah.
lah. The password, email password or create email password?
Okay. So you create your
Okay, no, yeah.
好玩。是呗。
Yeah, I think I cannot do it.
Okay. So once you created your account,
Where can I have the link?
N8N.io.
Not IO. Only me.
Siap-siap kalau tak ada nombor sekali. You minta nombor lah. Macam Dasha, nombor 5.
Flow.
Nombor tu apa?
let's see it.
What is the only
You can skip lah. You can just
But
simply
you can
answer.
skip lah.
No, just simply answer. Simply answer.
only
Start automating.
Yeah, start automating. What?
Okay.
Start.
之前你要不要帮忙？喂，你不是会用的吗？啊？是吗？你旁边那个。Don't worry, it's free. You don't have to key your credit card details. Just anything lah. You just put at the Yeah, just choose any answer. If you can skip, just skip.
So if there's any survey, just put any answers.
Yeah, no need skip. Press skip. Okay. Yeah, this one you can register a free account. Get started. Okay, just use that email, right? And then for the what's the thing called? For the surveys, they ask you company size, all these things you can just skip if you like.
14 days
This one pro already. This one pro. Yeah. You see this one invite Teams members to your workspace just to skip it. Okay. Then you click start auto. You bring it to your dashboard. Yeah, everyone okay. skip 随便打 skip 这只是小的。Okay? Okay. So let's start by doing something called creating your credentials. Okay. So we will do this credential first because one is very tedious. It's very mafan. Okay. It's very tedious. Let's do a simple one for only for Gemini first. We will pick Google Gemini. So we start by going. You see this orange create workflow? Click on the arrow on the side and click create credentials.
Okay, so we use Gemini as an example because Gemini offers free API and key.
Then put Gemini. Google Gemini PALM API. Just type it in. Okay. Then everyone open a new tab. Go to
Google AI Studio.
go to
Google AI Studio.
Google AI Studio. Okay.
AIGP juga. Betul dia ni kan?
Type this one. Or just Google this link.
Google AI Studio. Okay. Just sign in to your personal account, and then
This one is free and it's easy to use. So get started.
get started.
So Google AI Studio.
So just letting you know,
You know.
just so that you know, Google has two versions of Gemini, right? One is Gemini.google.com, which most of you use, and you need to pay $20 per month to use the best version. Google AI Studio also gives you Google Gemini 2.5 Pro for free. That means you don't have to pay anything to use 2.5 Pro, no limits.
Okay. Why? Everyone inside the
Google is bullying the non-technical people here. The non-technical people will just go to gemini.google.com and then they pay with a credit card $20 per month to use the Pro. But the technical people will know that actually Google always has something free, but it's just that no one knows, not many people know. So that place is called Google AI Studio.
Yeah.
So if you go to Google AI Studio, you get to see here. Yeah, a lot of options. It's even more powerful than the $20 that you pay per month. You can choose multiple Google AI model here. Okay? There's so many models, 2.5 Pro, all these models are there. And also, it can also let it to, for example, ask this Google to use Google search to verify the answer. This one, grounding with Google search.
So when you don't want your AI to hallucinate or anything, or to, how do I say, take information from the internet, you can actually give your prompts with this thing on and you will search information.
Or for example, you want to use Gemini to create images, or you want to use Gemini to create a website for you. Everything is inside in Google AI Studio.
I know so many people use Vincent ASPLM.
Okay?
Oh, who here use his name?
Looks like I remember.
Okay, click the get API key. Okay. That's right. Yeah, it's okay. It's wow, why so many people use your name? Is it because the underscore and you have to remove the underscore? Because it's a website.
AI genius.
Okay,
AI generator.
Then everyone click create API key. Okay, you should they should, if you don't have Google Cloud, it should generate automatically one key, right? Yeah, copy that. Just create API key. Yeah, copy that. Don't give it to other people. That one is your personal key. If you give it to other people, they can use it to how do I say, expand all your free trial points inside Google AI Studio. Okay?
This one works, right?
So once you generate, you get this link. Okay, got it? Then go back to N8N and just where you have this tab. Paste inside here. API key. Go to start opening.
Sure, great.
Then put the drop down area. And then you can get credentials. Okay, and then search. Transfer.
is like you're copying the like it's calling the card. You're transferring.
Okay, then paste back.
So once you get the key, paste it at the N8N.
Right, yeah, everyone's on track.
Save.
Yeah, save.
Done.
The rest no need. No need. Okay, save. Okay, now we go back to overview. Yeah. Press the create workflow. Create workflow, the orange button. This will create your new project. You see something like this. I'm using dark mode lah. Those people, there will be white ones.
Really?
Then come. Don't worry, I print special one for you. I think that's cool. Cannot. No annotation one, but I can just sign the one. Everyone okay? Yeah. Then, okay. Everyone see the large add first step button. When you click onto it, you will get this menu here.
At first step.
So when you add your first step, you can see the different types of trigger. This is what we call the trigger.
But only coffee go up.
Make coffee. Make coffee. This one, you must make slowly. You must teach the AI how to make your coffee. You need to trigger. When you want coffee, you need to trigger it.
Don't know how to make coffee without AI.
So this is called the trigger. Okay. So you can start your trigger. So this starts your whole application that you are going to program. So you can start it manually, or based on something that happens in an app, you can make it to Notion or Telegram. Like basically like Telegram, if you or WhatsApp, when you WhatsApp message to something, then you will start the program instantly. Or on schedule timer, so every morning 7 a.m. like this, or on form submission like Google Form, when people submit their form, then they will start the program. Or when executed in another workflow, that means from another program. And then on chat message, this is what we are going to do today with the chatbot. So everyone click this on chat message. Find on chat message and click that.
Your trigger auto one. Your trigger auto one. Then the clock shut down.
That one is on time. Trigger on time.
Let the thing shut down.
Okay, on chat message, right?
Okay. Then you can click this back to canvas to close this thing on. Okay, you can see here when chat message is received.
When chat message.
Click on chat message. Okay. Then you click this arrow at the side here to close this.
Why got arrow?
Yeah, this one. Yeah, click that. Yeah, you see. Okay, this is your first block. This is your trigger.
Ready?
On chat. Okay.
Ready?
Now we click this plus button. Click this plus button, then you can see all kinds of different things. This is your box.
This is where I make coffee lah.
Yes.
When I tell I check to make coffee, then he make coffee.
Later I will teach you how to link it to your coffee machine.
Okay.
Link this to your coffee machine. I will teach you how to do that.
Select
Okay.
AI.
Okay, we go through this one first. So AI is all your like AI agent and all these kind of things, but you can link your models to it. Then do action in app. Basically, this is like your Google Sheets or Google Forms or anything like other applications. You can trigger them to ask them to do something in that application. Okay. Then you can manipulate data. So a lot when you process data and then you store it somewhere, then you can extract the data or like sort it into arrays or lines, all these kind of things for later on processing. And flow is like if statements. If anyone does programming before, they know if statement, for statement, loop, these kind of things. This is your flow. And then your core is like the HTTP request, your webhooks. Like just now, when you want to link to your coffee machine, it's somewhere, we use something called is it called MQTTS? Is it? Yeah, MQTTS for IoT applications. We use MQTTS. Okay. So, and because this is open source, you can add your own triggers as well. So this one requires more technical, but you can, as long as you can extract API from other software or anything, you can link it to N8N. This is where your engineering integration comes in. Okay. So let's start with the AI. Then click AI agent. Okay.
YouTube got this.
Got plenty. I also started with YouTube, don't worry. Okay, everyone here? Okay, now let's link our chat model. Yeah, just close this. Okay.
Oh, like this. Oh.
Okay. Everyone see this plus here, chat model. This is where we link just now. You remember this engine? This car engine? So now we are going to put the engine into the car. Okay? So this is your chat model. You press the plus button. Then you go down to Google Gemini chat model. Don't click Google Vertex, that one's different.
Google Vertex is Google Cloud.
Yep.
Another API.
Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, just close. Okay.
Then and the model, you pick the model that you want to try.
Here, okay, here just now you see we created the credentials, right? Just now when we went to key in the API and all those things. That means you will auto fill here for your credentials. Okay? So credentials, if this thing don't have credentials, then you won't be able to link the API to get it to run. So basically it's like pulling the service from Google AI Studio into your N8N workflow. So that's why just now when in the beginning we did all the AI Studio API key pulling here and there, is to get the service into here. Okay? So this one just now you should auto fill already, so we go back to canvas, then we are here. Okay, now here's the fun part. Here's the fun part. Now later on, if you guys want this slide where I key in, I did every single step like screenshotted, I can send it to you, don't worry. Okay. Now I want you guys to think of this application. So this is a chatbot. So I want you to think of an application for your chatbot. It can be anything like you are my HR admin, you are my finance admin for ASPL. Please advise me on taxes and blah 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 and all these kind of things. Or it can be you are the best librarian in the world. Please Google search whatever, all these kind of things. Then the data you should make it something like this. This is a sample. Okay. You are SL marketing personnel coming to answer online inquiries. So this is like chatbot. Basically, when you go to people's website, then you will click the chat button or WhatsApp button. Then they will say like, "Hi, I'm this person. I'm here to help you today. How can I assist you?" Okay. So how to do this? Go to your AI agent. Double click it. Okay. Then go down here, add options.
And then choose system message.
System message. Choose system message. Okay. Now, You can delete this.
Hi, I'm Sophie.
Sure. Okay, then I want you to think. I want you to think of this. Okay, I'll give everyone maybe 15 minutes. You type as much detail as possible in the chat box. Then this small chat box. Here. Here.
Let me write a song for you.
Okay. You can be as creative as possible. I'll ask you guys to share what you guys have created before. What kind of chatbot you make. You can also say like you are multi-level marketing agent trying to recruit new members to sell what insurance or whatever water filter thing.
Don't ask question, right? The message not ask question, right?
No. You are instructing it to pretend role play as someone. You are teaching the model to this system message.
You are giving instruction to the model how to behave.
How to behave, how to make it behave. It's teaching them to act a certain way.
So you are giving the instruction, for example, in this case, you are telling the Gemini that you are a marketing personnel working for ASPL Malaysians in Denver. So if anyone asks, who are you? What is this chatbot doing? What is the chatbot about? What can you help me with? So the chatbot will know that what should the marketing personnel do. So it will reply accordingly.
I see you laughing already. What did you key in?
Your math
Let's
scientist.
see. You are a math scientist and will give you some problems. You will give a bizarre ideas to solve them that might surprisingly work. Convince me to use your idea and make a simple roadmap to accomplish the idea. Yes, that's good.
Can say I on is it? Can say I on is it?
I?
Or you
Let's say you lah, because it's directly to the model. If you put I, then they have to process the context of it.
You're telling the model.
Yeah, you're telling the model.
So like
Okay,
someone else.
so I'm not like, hi, you are Sophia.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes. Hi.
So
No, hi. You are Sophia. You are ASPL's marketing assistant. You should tell me this. You should behave like this. You should not do this.
You are like you telling the AI saying that what you are
Yes,
and what your
yes.
role in ASPL or
Yes,
what
yes,
you
or
should
whatever.
do, what is or whatever.
Yes. Give as much detail as possible.
Okay, you do.
It's like you just imagine you just hired a new team member. Alright? So this team member doesn't know anything. So this is your first briefing. So your title is this. This is your job scope.
Okay.
When it comes to problems,
Financial advisor, analyze the stock market. Oh, so you're the one that's the trader lah. Tell me what to buy. Okay. Wow.
I saw someone wants to rob bank.
Wow. Okay, later we share.
Not ethical, maybe it's not wrong also.
No. It should be able to lah, because it's under.
You are highly skilled and experienced bank robbers who have committed
with 20 years of
with 20
experience.
years experience without getting caught.
Just 20 years. Okay.
Your team consists of a getaway driver, 4 hitmen, 1 hacker, and 1 mastermind. Based on the roles of team members on my team, design or devise a strategic plan that how, when, where, and what we're going to hit. Did you check out 28 minutes? Did you?
Oh yeah, I restarted. Oh, this one is full. Okay.
Yeah.
You don't need to steer.
Because I believe waiting.
The object is sustainable.
คือจะไม่เลือก
这个是 cross check 嘛。
That can be anything. Give it a positive.
This one is another thing lah. This one is called looping. Looping usually 是好像
Does it cute?
Nothing.
Lepas
You
ni
can
siap.
say first. Let's see what you wrote lah. Wow, tendering manager. Okay. It's okay. No need to save. It's automatic.
So,
You just
like-
click back to. Okay.
Canvas.
Back to canvas.
After you're done, you can click back to canvas.
Oh, dah suka sekali.
Don't need to sit.
No.
Don't you say?
Okay, how's everyone doing? And okay. Who done already? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Got point one Who done already? Got point. 1, 2, 3. This side seems more complete now, so I'll give point to more quick. Okay. Okay, so everyone now, once you are done,
Yeah, alright. Ada kan?
yes.
Okay, you are Sophia, you are top salesperson in ASPL. You make 2 million profit annually by selling tissue. You make 50% profit from every tissue you sell. Your main customer is Nashua Corporation, and Botak Power Shop.
Sure. Remember what you said. Okay. So just now you guys did your system message, right? So system message, then I'm gonna type this. You are helpful assistant now. Okay. You guys will have your own. So back to canvas. Then you can just click save, and then you can start.
Maybe say what? Just back to photos.
Yeah. Just click this.
Photo save.
Yeah, photo.
Oh, very powerful.
Okay, then you can click save and then you click open chat. You see down here there should be one open chat.
One orange button. Open chat.
Who are you?
Yep.
Open check.
Yeah.
Your orange button. So,
Yeah, that's all good.
Okay.
Why so small? Walao
Then
eh.
make it bigger lah. You make it bigger.
Oh, sudah tua mah. Zoom in sikit.
You can pull this thing here. You know Excel is that.
learn soon.
Okay then you can type already. Okay, type what you want to ask.
Coach, dia sendiri bagi tahu.
Cannot
My main gig is selling high quality tissue.
Testing my own agent.
What?
Wow, I work closely with some fantastic clients.
Okay, just type what you.
Oh, I can just ask them to disregard the.
What do you do for me?
You cannot. This one you need to because it's unethical. That means you need to do a what's it? RAG. That means to isolate it lah.
Tapi dia tak tunjuk speed dia.
Okay, so how to do that?
Yeah. Which one?
Never before.
还有今天的整个做好，所以有些时候就会在
哇，你的还管这么久哎。
No specific.
That's pretty cool, right?
Then the answer specific.
希望你不会被那个4个生日掉针，我 OK 还是看着。
哇，不是哎，有时候我对那种我怕。
哇，正常的。看点 strategy 啊。是哦。就借给你啊，不能。
OK 哦，can retire early。
少一点。
Okay. Any
因
problem?
为你可以弄，你变成那种raw。
Play ah.
Wah, boleh. Ayah sepatutnya dia cakap lah. Saya tanya dia, how can I remarry?
Yeah, this one cannot. We have to bypass the ethics. Because we are using the public model, so it's
So 2 arrows on
maybe for the rack to make it offline, you can ask the ethics. You want to?
Nice.
Okay.
I ask,
Okay.
can you
Now,
make it?
Vincent, let's see what you prompt. What happened to your email? Let's see what you prompt.
I ask who are you?
Wow.
Yeah.
How can you improve profit by 25%? That's an excellent goal. You see? Good already. Okay. So far, everyone success.
How can I marry 2 wives?
Marriage is like
See, he know it. He don't know means it's correct. He knows something wrong.
My focus is on ASPL issues, not marriage. See,
Correct. Good AI agent. Dia tak ajar saya macam mana nak marry. Sebab dia kerja SPM
You know, just now Mr. Cole was talking about the wife thing, right? Let me show you something. You can actually prompt it to become act like your wife, okay? So you are my girlfriend.
If you tell me I can be your wife, if you make me make a profit of 30%.
Is that how you want to get back to this?
Double click. Double click the AI agent. You see this? You are my girlfriend, angry at me because I didn't buy you flowers.
Oh, ni. Oh.
Okay? Then let's run.
Help. Please still to find million per year.
You see, I write. You are angry at me because I didn't buy you flowers. You said, oh hi, my voice is flat, almost full. What? Anything you wanted to say or anything you forgot to do today, maybe? Okay, what did I forget?
What did I forget?
Gila dah untuk semua orang. Sakit dengan ni lah. Ramai yang pergi.
Oh, this one too much already. This one too.
sebab ni kamu tak suka kamu boleh reset.
This one.
Ikut preference.
Yang orang tak boleh reset.
Ditanya apa? Yang kita gila-gila, kau tanya apa?
Now you see. You forgot the flowers. The one I hinted about. So you do that to yourself, lah? No lah. The one. So you from AI
seems to magically remember.
Wah, cik.
So this is the some of the stupid things you can do with it, lah. Okay. So. Then your husband.
My wife is very nice.
Okay, okay, everyone know how to do it now. Okay, now some of the applications you can do with this chatbot for your personalized one is that you can make it your own personal assistant. You can give it some memory base as well, so that every day you don't have to specifically prompt in ChatGPT again and then tell them the context again and then only get the response out. So this type of AI agents, right, and this chatbot is good for personal use as well. So like, let's say you are project manager, then you in the system message you teach them all how to do bidding documents, when to do the tender date, all these kind of things, how to do the Gantt chart and flow process, all these things. Then you tell them each step by step. Then afterwards, when you are trying to refer again, you can just ask. Either that you prompt in the system message or you link another database to it. Okay. So I'm going to teach you guys. Okay. So congratulations. Now you guys can go start up already.
Okay, just like that.
You see, AI chatbot company.
That time you say,
Please subscribe the door. WhatsApp. So they link that to WhatsApp. Basically, you see your output here. You see your output here. You can actually link it to a node, another node for WhatsApp business.
and you request for what they provide this service.
Yeah, they help you do it.
Help you help their customer do it.
Yeah.
That they can ask questions like this also.
Yeah. So
that's why you say so simple.
Yes. Okay. If you remember, okay, guys, so if you remember, for your model is here, the Gemini model is here. So it will give the AI agent the model, and then it will work as a vehicle. Okay, so if you want it to link to the chatbot, like let's say WhatsApp on your business or what these kind of things, there is something. There's another passcode you can add for WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, whatever, all these kind of things. So it will automatically output whatever people send message here, it will go here, and come back. Okay. So congratulations, you guys can go start really now. These guys primarily all they do is only this chatbot. So you see how easy their industry is self-destruct. Okay, they only do chatbot. Okay, and they go by volume, of course. Then, but of course, be smart about it. Don't simply go and start your company. You have to know that your chatbot, of course, is low cost. You can use the latest tech, and then you here we like to use PM, Chinese, English.
Okay. I determine what
you have your strengths, but then it's very easy to be replaced. Chatbot, okay? Chatbot very easy to replace. You have scalability.
Anyone do this one become tuition teacher?
Which one? This one? Tuition teacher. I got it. I think PMDC is it the company was called.
Okay. Pandai.ai. Pandai.ai.
Pandai.ai.
Okay, you see this Alpha V, they do this AI Academy. All of them are teaching you guys how to use AI. Okay? Okay, but of course back to the main thing. Don't simply go and start up. You must think about it properly. Currently Malaysia, everyone is wanting AI. They want AI, but then so your competition is very fierce and also it's easily replaceable. Once your model changes, then your whole business structure has to change. So this is the things about AI for your chatbot or any other AI companies as well. Okay? So some of the things that Chris Vision does for this AI model, when it comes to chatbot, another thing that we do is actually this AI reliability assistant. It works completely different compared to the AI model that you guys made just now for the chatbot. But this AI reliability system, they take data from different Excel sheets, they make sense of it, and they give you step-by-step details on how to resolve the problem. For what we do with this is that we got an inquiry from an industrial customer. They do steel rebar, steel cold roll manufacturing. Then they are saying that experienced engineers they resigning and then cause problems with your operations. So to resolve this operation issues, right? They make we make this AI reliability assistant. Yeah, any problem on your side? Okay. So for the AI reliability assistant, basically new joiners to the company, they are able to just go on here, say what is the machine name, what is your work type, also what is the problem with your machine. Like currently my engine is high temperature and I see bubbles coming out. So they can prompt, and based on the same logic just now and the context that the LLM is given, they will predict 1, 2, 3, possibility number 1, possibility number 2, possibility number 3. Your engine currently is over temperature, maybe because your oil seal is leaking, or the mechanical side friction is large. So this type, and they'll give them step-by-step solution on how to solve. So this is the type of applications you can do. Another thing I will show you guys now is how to make a encyclopedia type chat model. So we go back to N8N. This one I'll just demo. You guys can follow along if you like. Okay. So we'll give the AI agent some basic memory. You don't have to take too much about this. Don't have to put too much things about this. Then we put 2. Okay. Now what I want to do now is to make it to be able to Google Wikipedia to show me everything from Wikipedia only, to search only from Wikipedia. So there's something called Wikipedia Scalper. This thing scalps Wikipedia for all the information. Okay.
So the simple memory is like
it can retain,
yeah.
no, it can retain the memory from what your previous chat.
Previous history, what you
Yeah.
asked, what you
What you output. Okay. So now I go and tweak this again. So you are a librarian with knowledge from all Wikipedia sites. Okay. You should explain in short and understandable sentences.
layman sentence can
Yeah, can.
You give long sentence also what we
Okay, in layman sentences, use Malaysia slang. Okay. Okay. So this is how we do it. So now I save it again, and then I go here to prompt.
Siapa Siti Nurhaliza?
Oh, dia banyak.
Okay Siapa apa?
Siti Nurhaliza.
Siapa?
Apa hantu?
Siapa?
You said Wikipedia.
You need to have Wikipedia because it's looking at Wikipedia.
Siapa Datuk Siti?
Who is
Siti Nurhaliza.
Siti?
Wah ini bukan Malaysian, dia tak tahu.
Boleh.
Siapa top 1 artis Malaysia? Macam itulah recent question, singer.
Top 1.
Singer.
Tahun berapa?
Di Malaysia lah. Di Malaysia.
Okay
Awi.
So you will scrape through the Alamak, top 1 artis singer in Malaysia ini susah sikit nak cakap lah bro. Macam mana kita Google itu popularity anggaja. Ramai penyanyi Malaysia yang bawa Siti Nurhaliza. So basically what it's doing is that it's scraping Wikipedia for all the information. Then you will give feedback to the AI agent. Yeah, and then the model will process and then give you the output answer. Okay. Okay, you guys want to do that. So you
Siapa Siti?
yeah. Yeah, memory. And then just click simple memory.
Oh, okay.
Okay, no you do that, you got this.
那个水有水，那个是感冒，真感冒。
没有来想一下，像如果我现在元气，然后我们来打，
所以，yes.
yang konteks itu bakal itu konteks yang
Jadi kita
Yeah, because it's for Control C, man. Connection loss. Wi-Fi problem. I think you need to refresh. I just now saw connection loss.
Refresh how to refresh.
Just refresh the whole page. Try again. Rosa tu artis lah. Rosa masuk tu bukan artis lah, brother. Dia isteri bekas Perdana Menteri Malaysia. Okay lah. Okay lah. Everyone able to run your Wikipedia scraper? You can ask it more complex questions, like more scientific ones, everything that we will simplify it on Wikipedia. Yeah, the Wikipedia one.你应该是用可能某个
You have to reply okay. So, use relations like.
depends. 有一些比较快，有一些比较慢。来，try again. Wow, what you guys from? I get flagged by some intelligence agency.
Something wrong, something wrong. What is that?
Hey, Mr. Paul, judge, just now got 1 point you have to distribute. You pick which team?
Oh, man, we SPL Oh, you second marah dari dia pula. Kamu tersalah nampak ke?
Marah, I change your border to slash.
So now, but
Oh, yo, no,
can go out and push it already.
No, it's kind of you change it to 2.05.
You are giving the AI training or the workflow on
The whole thing. This one they built themselves already. You can see.
Then they make all of them.
One teach them how to what rob a bank. One person teach them how to sell 2 million ringgits of tissue. Very very talented people.
Oh, pandai lah dia. Oh, I love it, man.
Used to
Tanya siapa lebih terror? Gila lah.
Yeah. Okay. Everyone okay.
Jawapan dia pun bagus. Suka Siti tu Ratu Pop. Mana enak? Elak pun Ratu Rock. Bagus ada punya jawapan.
Okay lah. I give everyone maybe 5 minutes break to get your coffee or go toilet or whatever. I'll just or to play more with your thing 5 minutes.
Yeah, so after that, it will be more intensive.
Yeah. After this, if you want to try, you can try, but there's a lot of code and text involved.
You only have 14 days.
Ini lagi.
Yeah, try.
Which one do you think we should start?
Still going to continue for fun. Wow. Yeah. Just can have a break digest a bit about how it works. We'll come back at about 3.
Silakan mungkin dia punya jawapan susah betul nak jawab.
Susah nak jawab.
Macam tak adil kan?
Semua susah, apa yang senang? Cuba tengok dia apa please. Susah cakap.
Engkau ni kasih susah Jangan marah bos.
Jangan marah bro.
Bos, bukan bro.
Cuba tengok sikit pasal fakta reka.
Tahu soalan spesifik.
No need. Oh yeah, they need to change the concept.
Tak kira lah.
If you have personal journey,
Personal journey.
yeah, that one you have to filter out. But for me, I have one kind of content that is for that.
Oh, dia special card for travel only lah.
Special card easier lah.
Because you can tell me what you think enough. For my case, this is good enough. Because I also don't travel at all.
So you can also the filter based on the date.
Yeah, right.
Just use it.
Like for example, weekend one, ignore.
Ignore.
Ignore the one on weekend, for example. Let's say you balik kampung on Saturday, something like that. Okay?
Then maybe
Paling senang beli satu tas handphone baru,
Yelah, saya rutin bagus untuk
cuma klik
untuk
tas
travel.
handphone baru.
yeah, then Julia will show the sales proposal, the automatic one.
I'll try to be quick.
Yeah.
No error is hungry.
Just pull up that one.
So this is